Good morning, students. I am Professor Power SS, which is going on teach you basic electrical and electronics. Your program is mechanical engineering. Course is basic electrical and electronics. Code 22310. Your teaching scheme is theory end semester exam 70 mark, theory progressive assessment 30 marks, then practical end some examination 25 marks, and then practical progressive assessment 25 marks. So total marks in this subject is 150. Total marks in this subject is 150. Before we start this subject, you can understand this subject is divided into two parts. First is basic electrical, and second is basic electronics. Out of 70 marks, basic electrical 34 marks and basic electronics 36 marks. Total marks of theory and sim examination is 70 marks. Then so interesting first question arising in your mind. Your mind think what? I am a mechanical student. So I will take knowledge like a mechanical subject, fluid mechanics, automobile engineering, then TOM, then thermal engineering, then engineering graphics. So why basic electrical and electronics subject given to me असा प्रश्न प्रत्येकाला आला असेल. सो लेट्स आन्सर. Today's market, national market and international market, lot of technology developed. So we can understand mechanical, electrical and electronic must, because in your mechanical field, mechatronics, mechatronics, then electrical vehicle and automation are entered. So we can essential the study of electrical and electronics, because these three terms, mechatronics, electrical vehicle and automation. Okay, let us introduce to syllabus basic electrical and electronics. First chapter is in basic electrical. First chapter is electric and magnetic circuit. Second is AC circuit, and third is transformer and single phase AC motor. Single phase AC motor. Then basic electronics. First is electronic component. Second is diode and its application, and third is bipolar transistor. Okay, so lecture scheme is 4 theory lecture, per week, then 2 practical per week. Out of this, 2 lecture basic electrical and 2 lecture basic electronics per week. Okay, let us discuss the syllabus of basic electrical. Okay, in basic electrical, first chapter is electrical and magnetic circuit. In electrical and magnetic circuit, we can study what is voltage, current, EMF, then study analogy between electrical and magnetic circuit, then terms related to magnetic circuit, then terms related to electrical circuit, then difference between electrical and magnetic circuit. This question ask every exam. State the comparison between electrical and magnetic circuit, 6 marks. First chapter is over. Second chapter is AC circuit. In AC circuit, what is AC, what is DC, difference between AC and DC, fundamental of electrical, 8 definitions, frequency, cycle, then waveform, then form factor, peak factor, then amplitude, okay, then RMS value, okay, then power factor, then what is leading power factor, what is lagging power factor, then RL series circuit, then RC series circuit, power triangle, impedance triangle, okay. AC circuit is over. Then last chapter is transformer and single phase AC motor. In transformer, what is transformer, then types of transformer, then EMF equation of transformer, then auto transformer, then single phase AC circuit, single phase AC motor, split phase induction motor, capacitor start induction motor, capacitor start, capacitor run induction motor, okay. Over. Comparison of core type transformer and shell type transformer. In your transformer and single phase AC motor chapter are over. Okay. Now next lecture we will be starts electrical and magnetic circuit. Thank you. See you on next lecture. Okay.